but what does this guy know? I don't know. What do I know? Do you know what I know? I don't know. Driving down the damn road in the snow, taking selfie video. Yeah, well, it's my first one. Well, no, I'm not. Probably the first one I'll put on Facebook, though. Like I said, hopefully I'll make it back in time before the storm freaking really hits. And get out of it nice and safe. I've been lucky. It's only snowed like once this year. And I drove in something just like this. Really no snow, but they were saying on the radio, yeah, and this truck has no radio either. They were saying on the radio, I was listening on my headset, that it was snowing, when on my way out here, that it was snowing in New Haven, which is probably 150 miles south of here, and it was like complete and utter whiteout conditions. So yeah, the quickly we get back, the better, and then I can make some kind of other video. I'm going to be making tonight. I'm going to be making a Korean short ribs. I gotta go to Whole Foods and get a pear and something else. I don't know, something else I had to get, but I need a pear and one other thing I needed. I don't know. I'll look at the recipe again. And I'm gonna go get me a shower at Planet Fitness, which is right near there. And yeah, while I'm taking my shower, I'll turn on the Instant Pot and get that going. But I'll film that when I start cooking it. And because I know you all like my cooking videos. I know I like eating them. You still got a contact cable for that smell-o-vision and the taste-o-vision. With today's technology, you should be able to get it. Probably got to pay a little extra. Alright, I'll be back later.